Hi everyone! First of all, I'd just like to apologise for the roots. They are horrendous. I'm a bridesmaid next week, so I'm saving these bad boys for then. But, you know, when you are on the capsules, your hair does grow very, very fast and thick. So we do expect to have our roots done a lot more. But anyway, that's another story. I just wanted to do a quick video to let you know I'm still here. I've still maintained my weight loss 8 months down the line. My skin is fabulous. My hair and nails just keep growing and growing and growing, and I just feel brilliant. I've got so much energy, I feel positive, feel motivated, love my job, everything's great. But I just wanted to do a video about health. Now, Juice Plus has been totally pulled into the weight loss category, which it is absolutely fabulous. You can use it for weight loss. If you follow our programme, it is amazing. We've got 1,400 customers in our support group so far, and they are all loving it and doing fantastic. So, you know, you can use it for weight loss, and that is brilliant. But I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the health side. Now, you can just do Juice Plus if you're one of those people that can physically eat a breakfast on a morning, you don't feel like you've got time or you can't physically get it down. Now, shakes are an excellent meal replacement for this kind of thing. You could have a nice healthy breakfast, whiz it up on a morning, take it with you, have a shake. You've got all the nutrients that your body needs in that breakfast. You've got, you know, your minerals, your vitamins, the nutrients from 17 fruits and vegetables every day. I mean, come on guys, for £1.10 a day, you're not going to get that nutrition, are you, anywhere else? Your breakfast would cost more than that. So please think about it for health benefits. I'm on the capsules, been on them about 8 months now. Absolutely blowing my mind. Either my teeth look whiter, I feel better, I've got more energy, I'm not depressed, I'm motivated. They're just fabulous. They're fabulous for your health. Less than £2 a day. What are you waiting for? Then we've got snack bars coming out. We've already got the fruit bars, which are gorgeous, and they can be used as a meal replacement or a nutritious snack on the go. About £2 a day again. You know, you're not going to get this anywhere else, guys. In a sandwich, it'll cost you about £3, and you're not going to get nowhere near as much nutrition from that, are you? So think about, you know, the greatest wealth is health, so you need to be thinking about giving your body what it needs every day. We're bringing out soups for winter that are all clean and healthy and delicious. And then we've got the kids' chewables, which, oh my god, they're amazing. My kids love them. They're doing fantastic on them. I've seen such good results with concentration, better sleep, craving better. Even like they used to get like cold sores and things. That's great. Asthma, they both suffer from asthma, and they've been brilliant on these chewables. So it just goes to show we are nutrition. That's what we're made of. Everybody needs good nutrition. Everybody's mind needs nutrients. Everybody's body needs nutrients. You need it to survive, to focus, to live properly, for your body to work properly. So get in touch with me about the fantastic products that we do, the amazing nutritional benefits that you can get from it, and the prices and everything. And if anybody wants a free sample of something, let me know and I'll see if I can sort that out for you. So yeah, I'm loving it. Love you all, and thanks for watching my videos.